I'm just leaving my Habitat for Humanity ReStore store or rehab store. I did like a little mini video before this, and one thing I love about this store is it has great scrap items that have been donated, items that are have a little bit of tender love and care needed in order to get the projects done. I was in here looking for a couple things, a desk, looking for shelving, looking for plywood, looking for like 10 different projects that I have going on right now. But if you guys have a local thrift store or rehab store that is in your city, that is a great place to stop by to look for cabinetry, furniture, lighting fixtures, even toilet seats. They have everything in here. So guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick video on why I love the ReStore Habitat for Humanity. Bye guys.